What is going on, YouTube? This is your boy Young Guy back with another video. I am here with another unboxing. Well, it's already unboxed. I'm sorry. Of the Hi-Lite P3RGL, and this is the box that it came in. It was very self-explanatory. It came with a USB charger along with this bad boy here. This guy here is amazing. Excuse my ashy hands. Wow. Yeah, well, anyway. Yeah, this guy here is amazing. We're going to put this bad boy on here. So, first and foremost, it's very hard because there's this... Well, it's not really hard. There's a detachable part. So, we're just going to slide that on here. Like so. It's pretty flush on there. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of a pain to do it through this camera. Alright, so we're going to take the part here. We're just going to line it up with that. It's lined up. It's on there. Is it on the rail, though? Okay, it's on the rail for the most part. And then, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna line that little hole up there because here comes this little pin here. It needs to go right through there, through the other side though. So, let's see here. It's gonna go through here. And then once we're gonna line it up with this here, and just screw it down. One thing to really make sure to take care of is this screw here. There's a screw with a spring on it. There's a spring, and that spring just pops off. So watch out for that. This is the third time I'm putting this on, just to let you guys know. And just like that, it's on. It's on there. I'm trying to figure out a way how to get this flush against here. But every time I put it on, it's always not flush right here. I mean, but it needs to be zeroed. All right, and to do that, you would need, let's go ahead and do this before we matter of fact, yeah, that's better. So in order to zero that laser in, we're gonna have to have it on. And this is dumb to do this far away, but let's go ahead and do that. So on the side here, comes with a little baby Allen wrench, and on the side here there's little parts here, little screws you can use to zero it in. I think this one's up and down. I know this one's left and right. Okay, so let me say a little to the wrong way. Okay. Let's say that's about lined up. Now, up and down will be under. It's gonna be under here. This does have the green laser with an additional red laser. Flashlight, which is really bright. And a strobe. I mean, this is everything you want in a laser. I mean, yeah, it's kind of bulky, but both at the same time with a flashlight. The green one is, I would use it for outside, daytime. The red one for inside, nighttime. The green one at nighttime is amazing. Alrighty, so I have it on the charger here. I have the green light. Let's go test it out. Oh wow, first off, the laser lights up the room. That's incredibly bright. So yeah, like I said, I probably use this in the daytime. And look at the beam on that thing though. That is actually the beam. I know you guys see that because I see it. That is the beam from the laser that is showing everyone exactly. You come in the room, you scan the room like this, you look like black ops coming through the thing. And then oh my goodness, the whole room, look, it's like a light. And there's the red laser. Like I said, yeah, so I would use a red laser, like night situations like this. I would use it, the green laser for the daytime probably, red laser for night. You can see it a lot better. But that strobe is vicious. Easy maneuver. I can have both. If I don't know what. Pardon my dog. She's in her kennel. She's a puppy training. But yeah, let me know if you guys want videos about puppy training as well, because it has been hassle and I know that it is not easy. But yeah, just like that, zoom in. And drop the hammer on that thing. And if you guys like this, let me know. I mean,